Alright, so boom, we back at Hold My Nugget Studios cause Russians out here wildin'. These individuals got invited to a picnic and they ain't no food, it's only hands. Imagine casually strolling through a park and randomly a battle of fisticuffs engages in front of you because individuals just so happen to be bored.
Fight back, nigga!
Come here!
Fight back, nigga!
Jesus Christ.
Well, I'll be damned. This brother must have participated on a football team that only had 3 positions on the offensive line. What happened to his guard? Mans took hands for 15 seconds with no retaliation. I've never met a gentleman who dressed up as a punching bag for Halloween. And despite the fact that he attempted to protect his face, his defensive attributes must have been in the negatives because he's lacerated from the right eye. Get that brother an optical tampon. Got Tampico juice running down your cheek. What kind of medical team is this? Man's getting his eye patted down with the oven towel. I thought it was for home good aesthetics only.
Got his ass cooked. He got cooked. He got cooked.
Who's next?
What's going on with homie on the left? Why he moving his head like that? Oh, he got a tramp stamp. No wonder. Punish that man for his life decisions. The bearded gentleman keeps spamming that overhand left.
Why you keep doing the same move?
Oh, fucking do it again.
Oh, I missed.
Tramp stamp Poppy better start putting in some offense before he suffers the same fate as the t-shirt man. He's got a bizarre offense. It's as if he's trying to push and punch at the same time. Look at the technique. It's as if he's firing bullets with no destination. He did touch the bearded gentleman's chin, but it didn't really do much damage. Get your dumb ass out the way, cameraman. Tramp stamp throwing hands now.
Another one.
I've had it. Everyone's getting a timeout.
The referee saw Tramp Stamp take so many overhand lefts, he's got to question if he's still sane.
Fool me once, shame on you. If fool me, we can't get fooled again.
But we got to give Tramp Stamp some props, because despite the fact that he's clearly getting his ass whipped, he still wants to fight. Look how he walking. Anybody who wobbling like that about to get their ass whipped, guarding his chin like a boxer in the 1800s. Put him up, see?
Bruce.
Spin him.
He hit the circle button. It's all over now.
Do it again.
Damn it! He got me! I've never been so humiliated in my life!
What are you gonna do now?
Look how his body emerged after dodging the overhand right. It's as if he was a newborn baby to a gangbang girl.
You gotta do something.
It's clear homie just trying to survive, but the longer the fight goes, the less it is in his favor.
Finish him.
Body blow.
Ow! Ow! It hurts. You know it hurts.
He's gotta have internal injuries. Look how he moving. Might have collapsed his lung.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Somebody get that brother another lung.
And now a word from our sponsors.
Wait a minute, we're in the 3rd month of 2023. Do you know where your Raycons are? Raycon is premium audio at the perfect price point so you can build great habits without breaking the bank. Whether you're looking for a pair of everyday earbuds, gaming headphones, or a speaker with a battery that'll last all night at your next party, Raycon got you covered. And they start at half the price of other premium audio brands. Plus, they now offer buy now, pay later options. And keep in mind, every purchase has an easy and free return guarantee. It's no wonder Raycon's everyday earbuds have over 50,000 5-star reviews. Now let me tell you about Raycon's bonus features. They've got 3 customizable sound profiles, earbud tap functions, noise isolations, awareness modes, custom gel tips for the perfect, most comfortable in-ear fit, crystal clear call quality, water and sweat resistance, 8 hours of playtime on the everyday earbuds, and 11 hours of playtime on the everyday speaker. You can't beat that. If you like to have earbuds in your ears when you go on runs or maybe run errands and like to have an idea of your surroundings, you've got awareness mode. But if you want to completely block out the noise and be totally immersed with what you're listening to, they've got noise isolation. Look at all these different colors, all these different flavors. Raycon is the most comfortable earbud I've ever had in my ears. I can jump rope for 15 to 30 straight minutes and they never budge. So you ready to buy something small with a big impact? Click the link in my description and go to buyraycon.com/chiseled and save 15% off your very next Raycon purchase. Let them know I sent you.
And now back to your regularly scheduled program.
And in our final bout of the day, it's shirt versus skins. Oh, that brother in a Motorhead shirt. You can't lose.
Stupid. I'm not gonna let you get the chance.
Given the gray in that brother's beard, the streets are saying this is a battle between Generation X and Millennials to determine who's at fault for Generation Z and Generation Alpha's bitch-assness.
It wasn't my fall.
Both men throwing hands, but can't nobody get home. You would have thought the GPS shut off midway to your Airbnb. 26 seconds into the battle, nobody seems to have the upper hand.
That's it. Enough of this shit.
Come here.
Motorhead shirt endured a 5-piece with ease. Old school got panties getting wet. Look at that harlot getting mobile on her mobile phone. Shorty said she need a different angle of her sugar daddy. Shirtless McGee keeps toying with the old timer as if he's trying to get under his skin.
Why I oughta.
God damn, man's threw that right hand from 1976.
Now I'm mad. I've had it. Everyone's getting a timeout.
Old man tried to get a ring out or out of bounds. They're not really in a ring. They're just in a field somewhere. That brother must have been a huge fan of the World Tournament growing up watching Dragon Ball Z. The referee would reset the battle.
Not today.
Finish him.
There's counting here. My God, look at the carnage. My God, Count Faster, put him out of the misery. Stay down.
Oh, Lord in heaven. Generation X took an L. The old timer caught a 7-piece combo with no side or drink. How fitting that he received a punch for every president since the inception of the millennial generation in 81. It took 7 hands like a Mandingo warrior's appendage being measured at a midget's brothel. I would say call a medic, but they already on the scene. That brother needs 3 Senzu beans. Somebody please. Pack him into the ambulance, please.
Now go kill him.
Snake, are you okay? Snake? Snake!
You just mad cause your ass is old.
Eat a dick, old man. You're done. You're washed. It's over.
You mean to tell me you watched the entire video but you haven't subscribed? Hit the subscribe button and become a member on Patreon or on YouTube to get access to the Discord. We're waiting for you in the Shadow Realm.
Do it! Just do it! Make your dreams come true!
Please! Please!
What are you waiting for, huh? Oh my God.